Face, we're gonna draw Sloppy Joe.
Yeah, we're gonna draw a funny cartoon Sloppy Joe. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw the top bun. We're gonna draw a upside down U shape or a rainbow line. We're gonna draw it like this. We're gonna come up, over, and down. I love Sloppy Joes, especially when I was a kid, your age. My mom would make Sloppy Joes and I would freak out. Okay, then we're gonna draw the bottom of the top bun. We're gonna draw, you could draw a straight line or just draw a curve connecting over to the other side. And then the other thing you gotta add to your Sloppy Joe, besides all of the sloppy goodness, is the cheese. We gotta add a slice of cheese.
Yes.
So I'm gonna draw a line or diagonal line that comes out on each side. Yeah, there you go. And then we're gonna draw it coming over like this, and let's add a little point or another corner in the middle of our cheese. You could also draw it melting, that would be good too.
Yes.
Yes. Now let's draw the part that makes it sloppy, or the beef with all the sauce. We're gonna draw a bumpy line, but also with little drips, so it comes down. The messier the better, right? So I'm gonna draw this one just coming over like this, a bunch of waves, and then we can connect it in the middle. There you go. And then maybe it more, I'm gonna draw another layer, almost looks like lettuce if we were drawing a burger. Then let's add another layer underneath. I'm gonna draw this one, kind of bumpier, and also bigger drips coming down like this. Well, maybe another one, and then connect it in over here. Yeah, that one looks messy. Good job. Okay, now let's draw the bottom bun. We're gonna draw it overlapping behind all of the good stuff on the inside of our Sloppy Joe. So we're gonna draw it coming over and then back up. Yeah, and that's it. We did it. It's pretty simple, except we're missing something. What are we missing?
A funny face.
Yeah. Yeah, let's draw a funny face. We're gonna add the mouth and also the eyes up here on the bun, the top bun. But our friends could change their funny face any way they want. They can make it screaming, or maybe laughing, or cheesing it. Oh, you can draw a really big smile. I'm gonna draw the tongue sticking out. So first I'm gonna draw the letter U right in the middle of the bun. Then let's draw 2 bumps for the top of the tongue. And then let's draw the smile above the tongue, like this. I know it doesn't make sense, but we're gonna draw the mouth open. So we're gonna connect the left side, we're gonna curve it around like this and connect it in, and then curve the right side around and connect it on the other side. Now it makes more sense.
Yeah.
Tongue sticking out, looks 3D. We could even add teeth on top. And then let's color in the back of the mouth. Now let's draw eyes. I'm gonna draw a circle over here and a circle over here. You could draw, Olivia likes drawing her eyes like upside down U's. So it looks like the eyes are closed. I'm gonna add the smaller circle inside for the highlight. You could also add eyelashes, or you could even draw a bow on top if you want, or a party hat.
Yeah.
Maybe this is for a birthday party. Remember, you can pause the video for extra time to change your funny face any way you want. Now, we need to still color our drawings, and we're gonna fast forward again so you can pause the video and color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our Sloppy Joes, and I especially love yours, Austin.
Thank you.
We also added extra sauce, sloppiness on the floor or the table. And then, this is my favorite part, the chef hat.
Yeah.
You guys can pause the video right now to match your same coloring. You can also even add more things to your drawing. You could go crazy and even add a background.
You could draw yourself getting ready to eat it.
Oh yeah, that would be awesome. Maybe you're sneaking up on it. We used our markers to color with, but you can use whatever you have, like colored pencils, crayons, or even oil pastels. And if you have the same set, you could use 24 orange, we used that for the bun. Then we used 33 yellow for the cheese. And what was the brown color for the sloppy part?
94.
Yeah, it's a dark brown. And we also used 88 pink for the tongue. But also especially remember, you don't have to use the same markers. If you have a different set, you could use markers that are similar to those same colors.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a Sloppy Joe.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.